Hello guys, hi. So today I'm going to my farm and I don't have a bike yet. So I'm taking my cousin's bike. I'm borrowing his bike and he just is like a couple of lanes from my house. So I'm just walking to his house. Going to take his bike and go to my farm. Also, one of my friend is joining with me. I just took this tripod with me. And that guy, he's got his own bike. He recently bought a Triumph. His name is Sandeep Popla. You'll meet him. So yeah, nothing much, no agenda. Just to go visit the farm, look at how it is, how things have been there. And yeah, come back, probably have some food. That's it. This is Sandeep Popla. Arrived.
Let's go.
Guy is forcing me to buy a bike because he bought one.
He should,
Why should one buy a bike?
you all should tell him that he should buy a bike.
Forget about me. Tell people.
Actually, Triumph Speed 400 is like 30,000, 40,000 cheaper than the time I bought last year, September. So I think he should be buying.
Forget about the cheap thing. Tell me a good reason. One
Good reason. See, look what we are doing at the moment. So you want more moments like this, then you have to buy a bike.
Sold. Chachi. You will set up or you can use the camera. Sorry, your hand. Don't need that thing. Also, we are going to Kondapochampalli. It's a great reservoir which is made after stealing a lot of villages. That's the sad part.
40,000 acres. Maybe 4 lakh, I don't know.
But it's a good view. I'll show you. Again to Konali.
Because every now and then when you have holiday, like a day or two, like weekends, you should go off anywhere, like go Warangal, explore what it is. If you go by car, you can't explore everything. You'll be limited to road and the place. So bike, go wherever you go. Like. And also people are immersed. Each one has their own bike. So they are driving. Smart lad. We all should be going places, exploring, and have what we have now. That's the whole idea.
Akkar, what was your scene before you bought the bike?
Before I bought the bike, I was a bitch. I like staying home and not going.
He was a stay-at-home husband before he bought the bike.
I'd love to be one, but not now.
did you stop?
Shoulder pains.
No gym.
Yeah, we should focus on fitness, bros.
Yes.
So let's
Fitness
keep
is
going.
definitely important. So this is one of the reasons why people should buy a bike. Probably it will force them to be fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen one bike a fat fucker. I'm the fat guy.
I
Hold up!
asked for a lift. So इसका भी probably I might take a small video monthly wise or maybe weekly wise and do how I'm going to develop this place and make it into a small farmhouse. Let's see. Hopefully that'll happen. So he's got more reasons to buy a bike. Is therapy.
అది రావట్లేదు ఇప్పుడు
ఆలోచించి వర్క్ గురించి ఆలోచించేసి వచ్చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ యూ డూ యాక్టింగ్.
I mean, yeah. The past couple of months were like so stressful for me. See this so much of work. You know, bike riding is a therapy. I think you all should try it. Whenever you get time, just go. As long as you're on the bike, your mind is just focused on the road and you're lost. I think that's something everybody should experience. If you're a girl, don't hesitate. Start driving and learn to do it. And that's life. Look at my eyes, man. Like, it's gone.
That is stress
Sleeping for
from
4
delight.
hours, 3 hours, getting the work done over 3 months, and these fuckers are not clearing the work papers. So
That is stress from delight. Look at your eyes.
this eyes
Twitching.
twitching and you know what?
I purchased my bike 4 months ago, September. Imagine, I never get to ride my bike. This is the first time. After 4 months, we came here. This is the place. That's how fucked up it is. I became lean, but see how I became fat again. You know, I had this watch and going around places, you know, like that. That's life. You know, money can't buy everything. Money can buy a drone. Money can buy a gimbal. Money can buy a GoPro. Money can buy a bike. So, see, yeah, money is. Why are you giving pastor kind of trouble? You have to just go, that's the whole plan. Look at your lips. Looks like a damn smoker, man. Smoke the life out of you. Smoke the life out of my girlfriend. That's what I do. These lips very poisonous.